Evening Tours is Crypto Big Boss back with another one. 23 December 2021. I'm going to jump right in and I've got a surprise for you. If you haven't heard of Baby Dogecoin, today's your lucky day because we're going to jump in here. I've been on a tear looking at some of these Doge meme coins. But the surprise, folks, is this. This one might not be what you think it is. It's not a crap coin. And I'm going to get into it right now. Let's take a look at this chart. This is the entire chart dating back to, I guess, June 12, 2021 is when it came out. And you can see they've had pretty rocky road here. This is not the kind of chart you would expect. You know, it just kind of, the best it's ever been has been way up here at, it's still fractions of a penny. There's so many of these that it's not even funny. And the trading volume is pretty high. Market cap wise, we're looking at 463 million, $654,951. Okay, literally $500 million. So there's some serious growth here. And when we look at the self-reported supply here, it's quite a few of them. You can see that's 268,383,460 or 459. And then look at that billion with a B. So that's huge. It's a huge supply of coins. It's just a horrid amount. But folks, the real story is when we get over to the site and we check out the community and everything about what Baby Doge is really about. I just wanted to dig into this and let you see that, hey, all meme coins are not created equal. And this one, of course, they're trying to leverage the whole Doge theme. They've got their little story here talking about they want to make their little Doge dad happy and everything. But when you start digging into this and you look at what's really going on down here, they've got some pretty serious stuff. It's not often that a coin comes out with its own swap protocol right at the beginning. That's not something that most of the garbage coins have. So this is a very serious thing. Okay. They got a how to buy guide here. If we just were to go back real quick, let's just take a look at this. If we go to the market tab on coinmarketcap.com, you can see there's quite a few places from Gate.io, Uniswap, Polynex. There's their one major, OKE, Pancake, and a host of others. You can see Pancake Swap, BitTrue, BitSwap there. Is that BitSwap or BuySwap? Yeah. BitForex and a host of others. But you don't see the other majors. You don't see Bittrex. I don't see Coinbase. I don't see Robinhood. But that might be good news for the people who have not decided to invest in this coin yet. And let's just take a look at some more of the information here. Before we do that, let's go over here. Here's holders. If you can look at this, this is pretty exciting stuff. Over the last 3 months, look at that growth. That's pretty serious. Okay, you're looking at almost 400, 350 people every single day. Every single day we're getting another 350 people. Folks, that's it's starting to actually do something. Okay, let's go back to the site. Let's dig in a little further. Look at all these as seen in NASDAQ, CNBC, New York Post, Business Insider. They're bragging about how the fact that they are a known entity. Okay, so they're not hidden, and we're going to see why. Okay, so here they are talking about the Baby Doge protocol, how they have auto and manual burns, how they have liquidity, they have a charity wallet, and this auto reflections is a pretty cool thing because what they're doing is for each transaction that you make with Baby Doge, they're going to give you 5% 5% for each transaction, and put that back in your wallet. That's a pretty cool thing. You're getting like a 5% transaction fee given to you. Okay, so this is starting to look like this might have some pretty serious teeth. And look at this. It has its own credit card. Baby Doge has a card. You know, it's like this card, they actually started this coin, I should say. They actually looked at what Doge didn't have, and they are filling in the gaps. Okay, and they're actually making this thing maybe more useful than the actual Doge. Okay, look at this: ability to buy cryptocurrencies, send cryptocurrencies, ability to exchange cryptocurrencies for fiat. And we'll have, now look at this, a new text bit technology, meaning that users can text Baby Doge to anyone, anywhere in the world using a telephone. Pretty neat stuff. Here we are with the 5% transaction added to liquidity pool for each redistribute 5% redistributed to the holders. We'll skip the video for now. I think this is an interesting fact here. They're claiming that Elon Musk tweeted that, let's see what he said. Elon Musk, aka Dogefather, aka world's smartest man, recognized Baby Dogecoin only 1 month after launch. So it's got a little bit of eyeball time from Elon Musk. They've got people donating to the project. They've got people putting Baby Doges on their race cars. And here's another thing that I think is incredible for a coin this young. They have coin payments working with them, meaning that people integrating coin payments into their websites can accept Baby Doge as a form of payment. Folks, that is big. That is big. So it's starting to look like Baby Doge is got some teeth. It has some teeth. Look at this little Baby Doge board. This is kind of like their, their path, if you will, of what they're trying to do. Phase 1, birth. They talk about what it is. Phase 2, let's look at phase 1. This is what they wanted: marketing push, website launch, 5,000 Telegram members, meme development, and the coin is born. They've met that. Here they are with phase 2, influencer marketing. I guess they got that from Elon. Listing on CoinGecko, listing on CoinMarketCap. They are on both of those. 25,000 Telegram members, 25,000 holders, 400 holders a day. They'll get there, right? They got there. Third-party audit and voluntary donation for community. Look at phase 3. 100,000 holders. They're there. Okay. Airdrop. Okay. Large influencer marketing, so on and so forth. A credit card for their coin. Look at phase 4. 150,000 holders. Baby Doge swap. So they got their swap engine up. Add way more memes. Website redesign. Baby Doge paw. Okay, so they're a paw wallet tracker, right? And look at phase 5. Here's where they are now. They've got over 300,000 holders. They want to release this Baby Doge swap and release their NFT marketplace. That sounds like a familiar paradigm. They did the same thing with Doge. We know how successful that was. Their NFT drop. The Shiboshis. So then they got to give away Tesla to community. Folks, that should tell you something. It sounds to me like Elon is got their back. Okay? 350,000 to 750,000 total donations to dog shelters. So they're trying to help dogs. They've got Elon behind them, and they've got their swap protocols up, and they got their wallet up. This is, if you're gonna have a meme coin, okay, a serious coin that's not so serious, folks, you're looking at it. You're looking at it. Baby Doge just might be the next big thing. I'm gonna say that right now. here on my channel. I believe that Baby Doge is more than a meme coin. It's not a joke. It might not be on the big exchanges like Coinbase yet. It might not be on Bittrex. It might not be on those, but it is on Polynex. And, you know, hey, a host of other places where you can get it. Let's just check one last look at one more thing. Look at the wallets, okay? Binance Chain Wallet, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. And I want to look at the holders one more time. Look over here. It says that the total address, okay, holder statistics. Let's look. Top 100 holders have 99% of the 396 addresses. So, you know, my thing is that that's where the work needs to be done. Okay, folks, that's where it needs to be done. When this starts to sort itself out and the top 100 holders don't hold 99% of the coins, it might actually have a chance to go mainstream. So they got some work to do, burning tokens and spreading the, I don't want to say wealth, but spreading the circulation, if you will. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, found it informative. If you think Baby Doge has teeth and has the capacity to be something that is valuable to crypto holders and to all those who haven't started their crypto journey, please drop a like, subscribe, share this information. This is one that could be explosive in 2022. And it's sitting here for fractions of a penny. It's so far down, it's just ridiculous. You got to go through some effort to get on one of these exchanges that might not be that popular to get it. But I think that Baby Doge might just be the next big meme coin that we have to hear about in 2022. Hope you've enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you on the next one.